We are moving into an age of megacities. Over the next 40 to 50 years, the population of urban centers will double, requiring more construction than has occurred in the whole of civilization. This is a unique challenge, and one which must be met, above all with concern for environmental and labor costs, and with speed and economy. This challenge had already been taken up by the preeminent architect Yang Yun in the 50s and 60s. Based in Hong Kong, Yang Yun consulted in Finland, Norway, Denmark, Sri Lanka, Cuba, Japan, France, Russia, Thailand, USA, and Vietnam. In cooperation with the world-renowned architect I.M. Pei, Yang Yun designed architecture that was streamlined, innovative, and swift to construct. His contributions included the Bandaranaike Memorial Conference Hall in Sri Lanka, which uses 40 columns to raise the structure and free up internal space. Later, he further refined this process, with a mere 4 columns supporting the whole structure of a sports complex in Islamabad, Pakistan. All of these designs were in the forefront of new technological innovations in the construction industry, which were subsequently taken up by Daishinjiro in the early stages of his own architectural practice. Yang Yun joined his son, Daishinjiro, to form Cosmont Design Group, which later expanded to become Cosmont Gibbon Hamor Design Group. Daishinjiro, now the director of Cosmont, is an architect based in Australia, who has practiced in China, Australia, and other countries, and has won several design awards including the design for the 2008 Olympic venue in Nantong. His early work and research into modular design for bathrooms and kitchens led to his cooperation with a Hong Kong manufacturer to install modules in a 12-story project in Newcastle, and a proposed design for a modular-built airport at Badgerys Creek, Sydney. Cosmont are now collaborating with China Construction Shenzhen Decoration Company Limited and Fabry Proprietary Limited, a building technology company, to manufacture and bring their Cosmodular technology to a wider market. The Cosmodular system is a prefabricated, green, low-carbon, intelligent, steel-structured, modular building product. Cosmodular's unique autolock system allows modules to be used either to construct permanent buildings, or to be installed as temporary structures. The modules can be added or removed according to functional requirements. In relation to hospitals, for example, those built using the Cosmodular system can provide the full range of services during normal times, but during times of high demand when a quick response is required, additional modules can be added to fulfill specific needs, such as isolation units, operating theaters, clinics or wards. When no longer required, these modules can be removed and used elsewhere. This is a cost-saving measure that not only saves environmental resources, but also saves time, as the modules are already constructed and only need modifying. Our team uses a brand new design concept to plan the function and overall design of the building through BIM technology, which can effectively solve the area limitation of the assembly units model, and innovatively extend the indoor dimensions and outdoor living space through good, sympathetic architectural design. It not only allows for personalized customization of a single module, but also permits creative 3-dimensional space combinations of multiple modules, providing flexibility of function and a comfortable work or living environment. Our team relies on the BIM Full Cycle Management Platform and BIM Digital Processing Platform to open up the information path of design, production, and construction. The application of a factory automated assembly line not only ensures the accuracy of construction products, improves products, and reduces overhead costs, but also enables businesses to achieve in an orderly manner their scheduling, materials, and ERP plus mass digital management costs. The BIM Plus plugin developed by our R&D team truly realizes what was once a high-tech fantasy of design, manufacturing integration, and a rapid construction time when placing orders. In the world of today, the research of new building systems and new materials is directed towards the overwhelming need for green buildings. Our team welcomes the establishment of esteemed leading scientist Meng Jinmin's Research and Development Department within the China Construction Shenzhen Decoration Company Limited. Following consultation with both Cosmont and Meng Jiamen, the Shenzhen Architectural Design Institute and Prefabricated Building Engineering Research Institute has carried out in-depth cooperative research on prefabricated building systems and new materials. This research explores and analyzes the breathable insulation, structure, firewall body, interior decoration panels and peripheral wainscoting panels that conform to the purpose of the building. Our R&D data reveals that the materials used have, among other benefits, the function of antibacterial carbon storage, which can realize our green and low-carbon goals for modular building and interior design. And since the modules can be reused, this greatly reduces the waste of natural resources. Our team cooperated with Tsinghua University to set up a green building and interior design health laboratory, which can monitor the whole process of dozens of indoor air indicators that affect human health, such as formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. It has developed a green and healthy interior design pre-assessment system, an interior decoration materials library, and established an environmental testing warehouse which conducts full-cycle early warning and testing of buildings and materials used in green buildings and interior design. Our team makes construction site and project management more efficient, economic, and accurate through strict quality control of the basis of the construction, the Cosmodules. The whole process of production, processing and assembly is carried out in the factory. The largest single module is 12 meters long, 2.6 meters wide, 3.3 meters high, and weighs 15 tons. The assembly of the modules can be realized within 2 days. We use industry-leading, ultra-high precision assembly technology and a vertical cone socket positioning system to support the 4 beams and 8 columns of the fully professional assembled building. This allows us to control the accuracy within 2 millimeters. As the factory is undercover, it is protected from weather, and 95% of the assembly is done on the factory floor, which greatly reduces the risk of outdoor aerial work for workers. The revolutionary changes in structural connectors extend the integrity of both indoor and outdoor buildings and improves efficiency. What will the architecture of the future look like? With the aim of green building with industrial efficiency, CCSZD and Cosmont will bring architecture back to its origin and serve the lived experience. Our team will continue to explore the application and practice of prefabricated buildings, promote intelligent prefabricated design, and contribute to a green, safe, and comfortable world.